Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet this pretty Christmas tree, one of the 7 in the series of trees made with thick yarn, and that's why fast and easy to crochet. They can become part of your holiday decor, a tree ornament, or an interesting project to do with the kids before Christmas, since these trees can be decorated any way you want. Before we begin, please press the like button if you like my videos, subscribe if you have not yet, and maybe leave a comment. All this helps promote the channel and costs you absolutely nothing. Thank you. The size of your tree will, of course, depend on what you are going to use to make it, what hook you're going to use, and how tightly you crochet. I used this yarn. It's 100% acrylic, 2.5 ounces, 230 yards. And the recommended hook here is 5 millimeters, but I prefer to use my 4 millimeter hook. And the size of all my trees is about 4.25 inches without a loop hanger. The height of your tree will also depend on whether you are going to make a trunk for it. All the trees that I showed before do not have trunks, but trunks are easy to add to any of them, making 2 rows of approximately 6 or 7 single crochet stitches. And it can be done using brown or green yarn. Well, let's begin. This tree is made alternating rows of V stitches and rows of groups of double crochet stitches. A V stitch in this pattern consists of a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet, and each group of double crochet consists of 4 stitches except for the last one. But we'll start with a row of single crochets, for which we'll first make chain 14. So I'm making chain 14. This will be the first chain stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now we need to make 13 single crochets. We'll skip this last chain stitch that we made, and we'll insert the hook in the next one, and we'll make a single crochet, and then a single crochet in each of these chain stitches. Continue making single crochets, please, until you have 13. Now we'll be making a row of V stitches. Each V stitch will start with the double crochet, but the first double crochet is always chain 3. Then we'll make chain 2 for separation, and we'll make another double crochet in the same stitch, but we'll turn work over, and we'll make this double crochet. So this is the first V stitch. Now skip 2 single crochets, make the next V stitch in the following single crochet, a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet. Skip 2 single crochets, make a V stitch with chain 2 between. Skip 2 stitches, make another V stitch. and skip 2 stitches, make the next V-stitch in the last single crochet. 5 V-stitches. Now we are making a row of 5 groups of 4 double crochets. Instead of the first double crochet, we'll make chain 3, and now we'll continue working in this chain 2 space. We'll make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, to the total of 4, and we'll be making chain 1 between these groups. In the next chain 2 space, 4 double crochets, chain 1, another group of 4 double crochets, chain 1, 4 double crochets, chain 1, and 4 double crochets again. Five groups of 4 double crochets with chain 1 between. Now another row of V stitches, which we'll be making in these chain 1 spaces. That's why we first need to get there, and we'll do it using slip stitches. So I'm making the first slip stitch in the second double crochet from right. 1, 2, 3 slip stitches, and the fourth one will go in this chain 1 space. And now a V stitch, chain 3 instead of the first double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet. Another one in the next chain 1 space, chain 2, a double crochet. One more, a double crochet, chain 2, a double crochet, and the last one, chain 2, a double crochet. 4 V stitches. Now chain 3 instead of the first double crochet, and 3 more in this chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, another group of 4 double crochets, chain 1, another group, chain 1, and the last one. Four groups of 4 double crochets with chain 1 between. And now once again we'll start with 4 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this will be the row of 3 V stitches. As you can see, the pattern is simple and repetitive. If you want to continue on your own, you certainly can, but I will continue crocheting since there isn't much left. So chain 3 and chain 2. This is the first V stitch and the double crochet. The second, and the third. Now chain 3, this is the first double crochet, 3 more, chain 1, 4 double crochets, chain 1, 4 double crochets, four slip stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 5, 3 and 2, a double crochet and another V stitch with chain 2 between 2 double crochets. Now we are making 2 groups of 4 double crochets. This is the first, chain 1, the second. And this time we are not going to make another V stitch. We'll just make 4 slip stitches. And here we'll make a group of 5 double crochets. And now we'll turn back over and we'll make 2 slip stitches. And now we are in the middle of this group. Pull the yarn out and cut it off. And we'll insert the end of the yarn in a needle. Now we are on the right side. It's where we will be making these double crochet stitches. So we'll turn back over to the left side and we'll make sure this end of thread is fixed well. Okay, I might do it another time here. And I will weave it in. Approximately like this, and I will weave in this end of thread also. If you want to make a trunk, find the middle 5 single crochets at the bottom of the work, insert the hook in the first of those stitches, join brown or green yarn, make the first single crochet, and then 4 more single crochets, working this end of thread in. This is 4 and 5. Chain 1 and 5 single crochets on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That should be enough. Cut off and weave in all the yarn. To decorate this tree, I used this ribbon, which I cut in narrow strips and then into little squares, and I just glued the squares on each group of 4 double crochets. And this is it for now. On my channel, I have lots of other videos with Christmas ornaments and items of decor. Watch them if you want to. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.